In this video, you're gonna learn how to make a smooth zoom effect in After Effects without using any plugins. Here we go. Here, we have a bunch of clips on the timeline, and preferably you're gonna want each clip to be 15 frames long for this effect to work properly. What we're gonna do first is, we're gonna add some motion blur onto them. Just check the motion blur box for each of your clips. Next, right-click this area here, New, and then click on Null Object. Drag this null object right above your first video clip. Right when your video clip ends, put your time indicator there and hit Ctrl-Shift-D while selecting the null object, and then delete the leftover part like this. Move the red box and place it in the middle of your subject's face. Now hit S on your keyboard to bring up the scale setting. Keyframe the start position and then go to the ending point of your layer and change the value to 150. Next, select the keyframes you made and hit F9 on the keyboard to smooth the animation up. Now go to the graph editor, make sure you're on the edit value graph, and basically just copy my exact graph. Once that's done, go back to the first frame of your layer and drag the parent pic of your video layer towards your null object layer. Remember, make sure you put the time indicator at the beginning frame of your clip and then pair the two layers together. If you've done this correctly, you're gonna have this zoom effect going on. Now, to quickly do this for your other clips, select your null layer and hit Ctrl-D on the keyboard to duplicate it. Drag this new layer above your second clip, change the position of your box to follow the position of your subject's face, and then just pair the video layer with the null object.
2,000 years later.
Finally, you're gonna have a nice smooth zoom effect done quickly and easily without paying for any plugins. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like on it and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to check out this next tutorial as well.